Yes, I have stomping boots on before.
I can't keep this phone still. I'm laughing too hard. You gotta get back on the linoleum, buddy.
She put those on him. I just got those. She put those on the first thing they stomp around.
Here, put him on the linoleum so he can stomp.
Here. Come on over this way.
There you go. Now stomp.
He's doing okay now.
Hey, Boo. Turn around. Let me see you. Dance. You like your new boots? You like your new boots?
Whoops.
Whoa.
He doesn't do too bad. There's boots there, but then you have to remember that there's a lot of platform around the outside, so they may not be all that big. You know?
Maybe not.
Really?
Oh,
Maybe
nope.
not.